Comprehensive Equity Research Analysis. Booking Holdings, Inc. Date: July 13, 2025. 1. Basic Overview Item Details. Company name: Booking Holdings, Inc. Ticker BKNG. Country: United States. Sector: Industry: Consumer. Cyclical Online Travel Services. Market cap: $186 billion. Share price: $5,717.10. 52-week range: $3,180, $5,839.41. Exchange: NASDAQ Global Select Market. 2. Business model and operations. Products, services. Operates a global online travel ecosystem via 5 primary brands: Booking.com, accommodations, discounted travel packages, Agoda, Asia-focused accommodations and flights, KAAK, meta search engine for travel comparisons, OpenTable, restaurant reservations and management. Services revenue streams breakdown: source contribution, key metrics. Accommodations, approximately 80% of total revenue, 319 meters. Room nights booked, 13 flight ticket. Sales growing segment: air tickets, plus 45% YOY. Attractions, plus 92% YOY 13. Advertising and other, approximately 20% meta search commissions. Insurance. Restaurant fees to geographic revenue split: international dominance, 90% plus revenue from outside U.S. Europe. Largest market: Asia Pacific. Rapid growth via Agoda. U.S. exposure: 10% of revenue. Showing signs of softness. 3. Key financial metrics. Metric value context. P/E ratio 35.64x, above sector AVG, but justified by growth. P/B ratio NA, not explicitly stated in sources. Dividend yield 0.66%. Forward yield $38.40 annual dividend. Debt to equity 0.00. Net debt cash greater than total debt. Row 17.96%. Industry leader. Current ratio high. Strong liquidity. 3-year revenue growth 22.9%. Post-pandemic recovery surge. 5-year revenue growth 15.8%, driven by global expansion. EPS $160.65. Q1 2025 EPS $24.81. 4. Balance sheet strength. Item value analysis. Cash reserves $15.58 billion. Covers all liabilities. 2x over total debt. Minimal levered. FCF of $7.5 billion. TTM supports zero leverage. Net debt position: net cash $15.5 billion. Unparalleled financial flexibility. 5-year FCF trend AVG $6.5 billion. Year Q1 2025 FCF $3.2 billion. 5. Management and shareholding. Key executives. CEO, not explicitly named. CFO, David Goulden. Chairman, Robert Mylod. Ownership structure. Holder type ownership, percent details: institutional 89% plus Vanguard. BlackRock Insider less than 1%. Minimal direct ownership. Retail float approximately 10%. Low short interest. 6. Competitive analysis. Main competitors: Expedia, domestic focus. Airbnb, alternative accommodations leader. Margin pressures: TripAdvisor, declining core business. Structural challenges: competitive advantages. Global scale: 28.4 meters. Properties across 220 countries. Brand portfolio: diversified offerings capture all traveler segments. AI and tech edge: $721 million annual R&D spend. AI-driven personalization boosts conversion by 24.6%. Network effects: 3.20M plus user reviews. 5.2M loyalty members. 7. Valuation analysis method: value upside. Downside assessment: DCF $6,700 plus 17.2% bull case. 9. Relative to peers: premium PE overvalued versus EXP. Analyst target price: $5,583.99, minus 2.3%. Neutral. 10. Barclays view: bullish plus 7.4%. Long-term strength. 4. Conclusion: fairly valued short-term, undervalued long-term given AI global growth catalysts. 8. Growth prospects, strategic initiatives, connected trip platform, integrates flights, hotels, attractions for seamless booking, alternative accommodations, 8.1M listings. Targeting Airbnb's market, its emerging markets, expansion in Southeast Asia via Agoda, industry tailwinds. Global travel recovery, post-pandemic demand surge. 1.1B room nights booked in 2023, digital shift. 62% of Booking.com revenue via mobile. Experiential travel, attraction bookings up 92%. UI9. Risk category details. FX volatility 90% plus. International revenue exposed to currency swings, marketing efficiency, $4.7 billion annual ad spend. ROI softening in some channels. Geopolitical tensions, war, pandemics, or regulations could disrupt travel demand competition. Airbnb in alternative stays. Google Travel in Meta Search 10. Final summary and recommendation investment thesis. Booking Holdings dominates global online travel with unmatched scale, technological prowess, and a fortress balance sheet. Recommendation for defensive investors. Accumulate on weakness. Ideal entry below $5,500. Hold for long-term growth. 5-year CAGR. Potential of 15% plus, driven by travel digitization. Catalysts to monitor. Q2 2025 earnings. Expect beats on room nights and air tickets. AI integration, enhanced personalization, driving higher conversion rates. U.S. travel, recovery stabilization, could add 5 to 7% upside.